Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Dumelang, lebitso la ka ke Leanora wa ga Senyatsi, ke tswa ka mo Magolering. Lebitso la business ya ka it's QuincyGee Trading and Enterprises, and only a few businesses, but at the moment re tlo bolela ka Quincy Bakes, which is our first business. Quincy Bakes started in 2022. It was operating informally until 2023 in May. I started Quincy Bakes because back in the years when I was at school, I just came to think, I don't want to work for anyone. And as much as there's a high rate of unemployment, me starting a business, it means I'll be that part, but in South Africa that are fighting against unemployment. Quincy Bakes, we bake, we sell baked goods. We're currently offering scones and biscuits, also muffins. My scones, I love my scones. So my scones, we have different flavors. We have vanilla, we've got lemon, we've got cappuccino, we also have banana, and we also have chocolate. And that's the reason why people should buy from us. My contact details are 073 624 5135, and I'm also operating at, you can find me at Corner Dudumadisha and DT Rampola by the mainline robot in Magolering. That's where I'm selling my products every morning, Monday to Friday. Hi, my name is Leanora and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.